दाबोळी विमानतळ सल्लागार समितीची बुधवारा बसका जाली. हातूंत विमानतळ पार्किंग विशयाचेर चर्चा जाली. विमानतळार येरादारी पार्किंगाचो विशय वर्सा भितर सुटावो जातलो म्हूण म्हायती जाळवणदारांनी दिल्या. आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो.
Parking facility, there is a land just next to the opposite airport authority airport building, and the T terminal it is basically a Komandad land. So we have in fact requested the airport authority director to take proactive steps so that the issue can be settled, and the parking also issue जो आसा तो आमचो हे जावपाक शकतलो. MLCP जो आसा, MLCP which has been lying idle for quite some time. That MLCP issue, there was a proposal from the DRDO. Then the DRDO has asked the airport authority to construct a building over there, construct a wall over there, and that construction of the wall has already started. So another, perhaps maybe in June or somewhere in January, February next year, the MLCP building जे आसा, the MLCP building हांगा स्टार्ट जावपाची आसा. सो तो इशू आमचो जो आसा तो सॉर्ट आउट जातलो. आयज मेजर इशू आशिल्ले तेजे भितर जी नवी टर्मिनल बिल्डिंग आसा, द डिमोलिशन ऑफ द न्यू demolition of the old terminal building, that process has already started, and the implementation part will take care of, say another 1 year will take. So far as the expansion of the airport is concerned, तेजे काम जे आसा तेजें काम खरें म्हणजे आनी एक वर्सभरा भितर चालू जातलें. रिनोवेशन ऑफ द आतां जे एअरपोर्ट आसा त्या एअरपोर्टाचें रिनोवेशन जें आसा इंटरनल, म्हाका दिसता सायनेजीस, कार्पेट, तेंचे toilet facilities, all the facilities which are being required and within the existing this airport also, that has been also taken care of. In another, I am informed that another 6 months time all these facilities will be in place. Immigration was an issue. Immigration facility which was there at the airport was an issue, and that has been also addressed. Last year when we had a meeting, it was discussed that they would be putting up the new system at place, and around some of the in fact the systems have been put in place. Some officers will also be deputed, they will be recruited, they will be deputed there. And also so far as the immigration is concerned, कारण गोंयान टुरिस्ट खूब येतात, सो तेका लागून तेका इमिग्रेशनाचो सुद्दां एक व्हडलो इशू जाता. सो तेका लागून तो इशू जो आसा इमिग्रेशनाचो, तोय आमचो जो आसा तो सॉर्ट आउट जातलो.
जो मॉडिफिकेशंस DRDO ने सजेस्ट किए थे उसके हिसाब से हमने वो काम अवॉर्ड कर दिया है. तो उसका कंप्लीशन टाइम 6 महीने का है, और 6 महीने में अगर वो काम कंप्लीट हो जाता है विदाउट एनी डिले, तो बाय एंड ऑफ दिस ईयर और नेक्स्ट ईयर तक हमारा मल्टी लेवल कार पार्किंग शुरू हो जाना चाहिए. जो इमिग्रेशन काउंटर का इशू बताया, 2 फ्लाइट्स आती है, इकट्ठी आती है, जिसमें कि एक में 300 पैसेंजर होते हैं, एक में 400 पैसेंजर. तो 700 पैसेंजर एक साथ होने से थोड़ा कंजेशन हो जाता है. तो जैसे इमिग्रेशन के चीफ इमिग्रेशन ऑफिसर ने बताया कि अभी उनका करीब 20-25 लोग एक्स्ट्रा आ रहे हैं. तो उसके बाद उनके जो 20 वीज़ा काउंटर्स सारे मैन करेंगे. वो नॉर्मल वीज़ा काउंटर्स ऑल्सो दे विल मैन फुली. सो दिस प्रॉब्लम इन नेक्स्ट टूरिस्ट सीजन इट विल नॉट बी देयर.